This invention will redefine and transform industries because of its thinnest, strongest, and most conductive properties. Its mind-blowing application makes this material a superhero of materials. To learn about its incredible feature, you need to know about crystal structure and how it alters the mechanical properties. Do you remember crystal structure? Yes. We learned it in 12th standard physics. Crystal structure refers to the arrangement of atoms, ions, or molecules in a molten metal. This crystal structure significantly influences the physical, chemical, and mechanical properties of a material. It determines characteristics such as density, hardness, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and optical properties. By studying the crystal structure, scientists can gain insights into the material's behavior and predict its properties. For example, metals with FCC structures generally exhibit good ductility and high formability. At the same time, metals with BCC structure have higher strength and hardness compared to FCC metals. Now you know that. By altering the crystal structure, we can alter the properties of metals. These all-crystal structure are three-dimensional solid in nature, and this makes it heavier. But the innovated superhero material structure is two-dimensional, single-layer carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal lattice. This unique property makes superhero thinner and lighter. To make this superhero material, you need to stack about 3 million layers to make a sheet as thick as a piece of paper. In that extent, 1 square kilometer of superhero weighs only 757 grams. Could you able to guess the superhero? Yes. It is graphene. Hello techies, this is BP Man Karthikeyan, Chief Executive Officer, Anomalai Innovation and Incubation Research Foundation, Chidambaram. In this video, we learn the exponential properties of graphene and how it solves technological problems. Smartphone industry. Let's imagine your phone is rolled, twisted, flexible, and unbreakable. Yes, your imagination comes true. Through graphene, it is possible because it is flexible and transparent. You can stretch up to 20% of its original length. Aviation industry. Icing is a significant problem in aviation, particularly for aircraft operating in cold or high-altitude environments. By incorporating graphene heating sheets over the flight surface, aircraft become more resistant to ice buildup and easier to clean, resulting in improved flight efficiency and reduced maintenance. Another problem is electromagnetic radiation. It affects the electronic system of an aircraft. Graphene effectively absorb and redirect electromagnetic radiation. By incorporating graphene coatings in electronic systems, it protects sensitive electronic systems from external electromagnetic radiation, and this property ensures their proper functioning. In automotive industry, corrosion and body rusting are the major problem. Graphene is anti-corrosive in nature. By incorporating graphene in car paints, it acts as a shield for car exteriors, preventing moisture and other contaminants from reaching the metal surfaces and causing corrosion. This ensures the structural integrity and longevity of the vehicle. In electronic semiconductors. In active semiconductors, channel resistance negatively impacts device performance. Higher resistance leads to increased power consumption, reduced efficiency, and limited operating speeds. For example, in field effect transistors, higher channel resistance leads to voltage drops along the channel and reduces the efficiency of the device operation and switching speed. By incorporating graphene in semiconductors makes faster and more powerful electronic devices such as transistors, processors, memory chips, and solar cells. From the above learnings, as you can see, graphene is a truly amazing material that could change the world in many ways. However, there are still some challenges and limitations that need to be overcome before graphene can be widely used and commercialized. For example, graphene is very difficult and expensive to produce in large quantities and high quality. Graphene also has some issues with stability and compatibility with other materials and devices. But despite these challenges, graphene is still one of the most exciting and promising materials of the 21st century. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about graphene. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and follow AIIRF page for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next innovation topic.